Hello friends. So today we will learn one more scenario based troubleshooting. So here troubleshoot OSPF neighbor issue using log and reporting 48. Okay. So what is system event in FortiGate? So today in log and report we will use system event. Using that we will troubleshoot that OSPF neighbor. So suppose someone is working on FortiGate and someone made any changes on this device, and you got an incident, okay, and you want to troubleshoot, you have to troubleshoot that issue. So how will you identify that what change has been made by the other person? And if you can identify that one, you can resolve that issue easily. Okay. So here what we will do, we will log in with another user id and we'll try to make some changes, and after that we will identify that changes using another user id. Okay. So here to identify that one, first we need to know what is the system event. So system event means anything, any change or anything will happen on this firewall, it will generate the alert that is called system alert. So in FortiGate, like if anything, like if anyone is logging or anything will be changing here, it will generate that alert that called the system alert. So using help of that we will try to resolve that any issue. So if you are you are in more production and you have faced report, you have seen any issue reported, right? And you know there was a change going on. So how will you identify like whether it is related to that when someone may make any changes with that that caused that issue? Okay. So for that, first we will go here in FortiGate. So here I have login with one user ID like Bob. Okay, and here if you will see network neighbor, we will see first. Yes, here you can see like we have two neighbor, right? So like we will go under network OSPF, and then we will try to we will go under here and we will change that configuration. Okay. Suppose Bob logged in and he made some changes and that caused the issue. So the change is made. Now if you got a ticket where like you have seen OSPF neighbor is down, so how will you troubleshoot? Here you can see that OSPF is down. Okay. So to troubleshoot this type of issue, you have to first log in with your credentials. So we will log out with this one. We will log in as an admin. Okay. So we have received the alert for this down. So like what may was the cause that we will check. Okay. So here when we log in, we will check here. Here like you can see we have one neighbor, right? So what changes has been made to this device, that we will check. For that you have to go on log and report, then event, and then we have to check the system event. Okay. So here it will show you all the like system generated alert and what was the change. So if you will see here, a minute ago, like user Bob has logged in and he made that OSPF change. If you will see here that Bob made that change from here. He was access has access and he made that change. After that, that issue was there. So that logs tell you like what is the issue. Okay. So this is very helpful to troubleshoot if any issue is there. So you can check system log as well. So here, if you will see, I log in with admin credential, so that also it is generated, right? And when Bob was logged in, it is also showing. And he changed that OSPF attribute, so here it is showing it edit router OSPF attribute. So what change he has made, that we can check as well. So we will click on that one. So here if you will see, that it will show that attribute was configured, that log generated, and user was Bob. And here if you will see that OSPF, it is like attribute changed. So if you will see that log, it is a line interface was having dead timer 40, so it was changed from 40 to 15, and hello timer was 10, and it got changed from 10 to 5. So now you know what was the like issue, so you can resolve that issue. So this is very useful if you can look for system event log, and you can identify what was the change made and that caused the issue. So to make it make that, if you want to like correct that one, you have like right change window, you can do the changes. You have to, for like configuration, you have to go on a network, then OSPF, then here under this one, here you can see that change which was bounded, we have to revert that one. If we have right change, then we can do, otherwise we will be having like we will need a change for window for this. So once you will change that one, you have to click apply. So it is done. So if you will see that neighbor will come up, let me check. So you can see that neighbor now came up, right? So if you will see the log as well here, under system and event system log. So here you can see the attribute you what you have modified, that was like it will show the alert. So if you want to see that one, you can see the same thing, like from 15 to we have made 40, and from 5 to we have made 10. So that everything like you can see from here, which like will be system generated log. So it is so end of this lecture. If you want me to create any other video topic, please do comment, and thank you for watching.